The next time you are on board an airplane, take a moment to look out the window at the wings. You might see the moving flaps, the massive engines, and maybe a small blinking light. But in reality, what you are looking at is a massive fuel tank, essentially a flying swimming pool filled with thousands of gallons of highly flammable jet fuel. For decades, aerospace engineers have been quietly packing fuel inside the wings of aircraft. For instance, a Boeing 777 carries over 45,000 gallons of fuel, and almost all of it is hidden inside the wings. But why? Why not store it safely inside the main body of the aircraft or in the tail? Welcome to the Blueprint Chronicles. Today, we answer a question you have probably never thought about before. Why are airplane wings actually massive fuel tanks? Let's start with the most obvious reason: space optimization. The fuselage, or the main body of the airplane, is the primary source of revenue for airlines. Companies need to exploit every single square inch of that internal space to carry passengers, luggage, and cargo. Every centimeter inside the cabin has immense financial value. The wings, on the other hand, must be massive and thick anyway just to generate enough aerodynamic lift to get the plane off the ground. Inside, they are not solid blocks of metal. They contain large hollow spaces supported by an internal metallic skeleton. Instead of leaving this space completely empty and useless, engineers realized it was the absolute perfect location to store fuel without sacrificing a single inch of passenger space. But saving space is just the beginning. To understand the second major reason, imagine walking with a heavy backpack and someone suddenly cuts it off your shoulders mid-stride. You would instantly lose your balance. Airplanes face a very similar challenge because they consume massive amounts of fuel during long-distance flights. If this fuel were stored in the nose or the tail, the plane's center of gravity would shift drastically and dangerously as the fuel burned away, completely disrupting its stability. Because the wings are located perfectly in line with the aircraft's center of lift, storing the fuel inside them ensures the plane remains perfectly balanced from takeoff to landing, even as the weight steadily drops. This is where true engineering brilliance shines. During takeoff, the wings generate a massive upward lifting force, while the heavy fuselage filled with passengers and cargo pulls straight downward. This intense opposition creates extreme structural stress right at the joint where the wings connect to the airplane's body. If the wings were completely empty, they would bend upward violently and dangerously. By filling the wings with tons of heavy fuel, the weight of the fuel directly counteracts that upward lift, pushing down on the wings and dramatically reducing structural stress. In the aviation world, this is known as wing bending relief, where the fuel acts as a perfect counterweight to preserve the structural integrity of the aircraft. Finally, there is the critical element of safety. Jet fuel is highly volatile. In the rare event of a rough emergency landing or a landing gear failure, the bottom of the fuselage is the area most exposed to violent friction against the runway. If the fuel tanks were located directly beneath the passenger cabin, the risk of a catastrophic fire would be incredibly high. Storing the fuel far out in the wings keeps it isolated from the passengers. Additionally, the freezing air at high altitudes naturally cools the fuel during long flights, reducing pressure and making it even safer. So, the next time you look out that airplane window, remember you are not just looking at a piece of metal. You are looking at a masterfully designed engineering system that beautifully balances weight, relieves structural stress, and maximizes safety to make human flight possible. It is a brilliant testament to the incredible intellect and problem-solving capabilities God has given humanity to conquer the skies. Thank you for watching the Blueprint Chronicles. If you loved this deep dive, don't forget to support the content, share it with fellow aviation lovers, and subscribe for more. Wishing you a safe flight, and we will see you in the next episode.